everyone, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time stopping by, you're most welcome to. In this video, I'll be showing how I draw my eyebrow as seen on the screen. Both brows takes less than 5 minutes. Note that the shape and thickness of individual eyebrows matters a lot. This video will serve as a guide to how you can easily draw your eyebrow irrespective of the type of eye pencil that you use. I usually set my eyebrows with setting powder because they tend to be oily after a while. The setting powder keeps it dry all day. I then brush up with a spool brush or spoolie. Please endeavor to have a sharpened brow pencil. It makes precision faster. I usually start from the lower part by tracing the shape that I groomed earlier for my eyebrow. That's why it is very important to groom your eyebrow properly. Please check the description box for the link to how I shape and groom my eyebrow with a razor. Now I just moved to the upper part. I'm going to be extending my eyebrow a bit to get my desired thickness. Note that I extended the tail of my eyebrow already. You can do this depending on the shape of your face and the shape of your eyebrow. Right now I'm just filling in the brows slightly. I then go over again with my spool brush and blend properly. Go over again as much as you can till it is blended properly. Right now I'm highlighting the lower part of my eyebrow with the Longwear Pro concealer in the shade NC40, which is 2 shades lighter than my actual skin tone. I'm just going to trace out the line that I drew earlier with my brow pencil. Highlighting your eyebrow makes it pop and defined. I'm using an angle brush for this. You can decide to use any brush that you're comfortable with. I then blend out the concealer with my blending brush. For the upper part of my eyebrow, I'm highlighting it with a concealer that matches my actual skin tone. I then blend out the concealer as well. With the leftover concealer on my angle brush, I'll be going over that part slightly just to give the eyebrow a natural and a faint look. And then I continue to blend and blend the concealer. I'll be using a setting powder to set the concealer so that it doesn't crease. We're doing it for every part that I added to the concealer. I then go over again with my spool brush to set the hair in place. And there we have it. It's quite easy, right? Yeah, I know it is. Please check the description box for the items and tools that I used to achieve this eyebrow. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. See you in my next video.